At Arden House, we provide you with a washer dryer, and it's located just next to the sink. To open the door, you just pull on this black lever here. This will open up the door, put in your clothes, and then you'll need the washing tablets. Now, the washing tablets is located just underneath the sink, and you just take one of these and then put that on top of your clothes in the wash. You then shut the door so you hear it click, and then you'll need to decide which cycle you're going to put it on. This is activated by using this knob here. So you just turn this to whichever mode you wish to use. Now, the instructions on how to use this are located at the end of this video, where the manual is located. Now basically, if you went for cottons, it would highlight on here how much time this will take, and then you have the temperature. You can change the temperature by pushing this button here, and that will cycle through the different temperatures. So we've got 40 degrees. You can also change the spin cycle by pushing this button too. Now, if you wish to start drying at the end of this load, you can do this automatically by pushing this button. So here you have extra dry. This is iron dry, and then this is cupboard dry. So you'd use the extra dry for like bulky items like towels and that, things that don't need ironing, then you do say cupboard dry. But again, the instructions on this are at the end of this video in the manual section. If you don't wish to have automatic drying at the end, you just push this button again to turn this off, and then you just push start to start the cycle. If you just wish to dry your clothes, you just turn it to here, and then you have high heat, low heat, or dry wool. And this again will tell you how long it will take. Once you're finished, just turn it to the off position, and that's how to use the washer dryer. Next, you'll see the instructional guide, which you can read through yourself on how to use the machine further. Thank you.